everybody, this is Fox Nomad, and today I want to help you travel smarter by showing you the Google Home Hub, showing you what's in the box, giving you my first impressions, and if you make it to the end of this video, I've got a small announcement and a little surprise for you. Now you've probably heard of the Google Home Hub, especially if you've seen the most nostalgic commercial to come out in a very long time. Now aside from the very good marketing, the Google Home Hub has a lot of features and a lot of benefits that can help you out. So here's what's in the box and my first impressions. What I really like about the Google Home Hub is the extremely minimalist design. There's not a lot of fluff, not a lot of complexity in the box, so if you're getting this as a gift to somebody who's not maybe so technically savvy, then Google have made it as easy as possible as it is to open the box and get started. And speaking of the box, it does take a moment to get open here, but inside it's, like I said, very clean. You've got the front-facing tablet with the Google logo, and it's got a really sleek matte finish on the back. Very simple design. Now I'll get back to the Google Home Hub in just a second, but here's showing you what else is in the box. There are these two packets. The first is the warranty and all of the disclaimers. Put that over here. And the second one is the instruction manual. And now this is really great how they've done this. You open it up and it's just about as simple as this. Plug it in, get the app, and just say, "Hey Google, what can you do?" I really love the minimalist design. I really love the minimalist take on the instruction manual. That makes it much more of an engaging product, and it also makes it a much better gift option for people, like I said, who aren't maybe necessarily technically savvy. You've also got your electric cord, and that's pretty much it. That other little compartment in the box is empty, although I wish it would come out or say empty or something on it, because I was just convinced that there was something else in the box. Now in my full review that's coming up in a day or two, you do need to get the Google Home app to make this work, but that's pretty much the only requirement besides a wall outlet. Now this bag comes in 4 different colors. There's chalk, charcoal, aqua, and sand. This is the aqua color, and all of that goes into the "I'm here, but I'm not quite here" design that Google is going for. So they don't want this to stick out too much in your home, but they also want to make it just a little bit different than these typical colors you'll find around a house, just to make it stand out or make it blend in as much as you want with the colors. The back has a matte finish as well as this mute button. You can see the speaker right below it and the power outlet below. The screen is a 7-inch touch display. It has 2 microphones on the front, one on the left, one on the right, and a single ambient light sensor. It's about 118 millimeters tall and works with Bluetooth 5. And the Google Home app will work with Android, iOS, even on Mac, Windows, or a Chromebook, of course. And Google has designed the Home Hub to be placed sort of in a corner of the room, just somewhere that you can hear it and it can hear you. That's the important part. So although you have the touchscreen option, I'm not sure a lot of people are going to actually use that. I think most people are going to use the voice option. That's the main benefit of having a home assistant like one of these. I'm going to test that out in the full review just to see how much my use is. But so far I'm noticing that I'm using the voice commands much more often than the touchscreen. And there is really something about this tablet screen that has sort of changed my view on these home assistants, that it makes it feel much less obtrusive in a weird way. It makes it feel much more part of your home, and not with that weird sort of creepy Alexa vibe that sometimes you get, especially if your Alexa starts doing this.
Alexa, play The Last Sound.
But there's something about that tablet that makes it more inviting. I don't know if that was a design choice by Google. I don't know if it designed the tablet function to make it more inviting, but it certainly has that effect. And I think that makes it a much better gift option. Like I said, for people who are not necessarily on the cutting edge of technology, who are maybe not tech heads or particularly tech savvy, this Google Home Hub has a lot of really cool features and benefits that I think comes in now a much better package. So like I mentioned, that Google Home Hub review is coming up in a day or two. I'm actually probably working on it right now as you're watching this video. And if you've made it this far, thank you very much for watching this video, by the way. I've got an announcement coming up at the end of the year, but here's a little bit of a preview. 2019 is going to be my year of giveaways. Those of you who follow my blog know I do a lot of giveaways through the site, through Facebook, through my newsletter, but now I've decided to bring that to YouTube. But I'm starting that a little bit early. So I have a couple of these Google Home hubs and I'm gonna give one away. Now all of the details will be in the review that's coming up this week, so be sure to subscribe so you don't miss that. So until then, thanks for watching this video, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you like this video and want to keep up with the giveaway, please hit the subscribe button. I'll have new videos for you every week. Thanks very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Hi everybody, this is Fox Nomad, and today I want to help you travel smarter by reviewing the Google impressions, and on top of that, in the box, and Fox Nomad. And today hi everybody.